Today I'm coming against because nowadays vaccination is the need of the hours. Vaccination has been started already, I think, onwards throughout the country, even in Manipur also, and many of the people doesn't know how can online booking for the COVID vaccinations. As far as WHO says that vaccination is only way through which we can save our lives. There is no any alternatives against the COVID-19. Vaccination is very rushed throughout the countries, and the Supreme Court also asks the number of the population and number of the investments are quite different. It will take a long time to vaccinate throughout the nations. Anyway, this is another matter. But my concern is that to help the common people, that what are the website and how to access the website and how can we book for online booking for COVID vaccinations, and what are the frequently asked questions for COVID-19. Without knowing this, we cannot proceed. So first let us type the website of the COVID vaccinations. https://www.win.go.in/ this is a website, official website. Now let us see. Now the official website is coming out, and through which we have to book, register ourselves, and so that we can we can book the COVID vaccinations. Without this booking, we cannot go anywhere to the vaccination centers. So this is the official website of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and India is the largest vaccine drive against COVID-19. So many helpline numbers are there. Health Ministry, Child's mental health. If we have a mental health, we can call these numbers. For the senior citizens, if we have a problem, we can call this. Anyway, first let us try to find out some of the locations, like these. Search the state, Manipur, and select. We can do first Impal East. Now click the search. So these are the vaccination centers within the Impal East districts: Akampat, Basikhong, Haingang, Khurai Hainung Mukhong, Moirang Kampu, Sajor Laikai, Janims Hospital, MC Kairao Mating, Ketrigao, Lamlai, Mantri Pukri, Minu Thuong, Sagolbang, Shanghai Pad, and Showombong. These are the vaccination centers within the Impal East district. Again, we can see for the Impal West also. This is a vaccination center is on 4th June 2021. All are booked. No vacancies there. So at least 1 or 2 days ahead we can book. Okay, and now let us go through Impal West. Now Impal West, the first one is Pas MR, Bijoy Govinda, Kamong, Khamnam Bazar, Kawa, Kumbong, Kurkul, Mel Kola, MU Health Center, Naurem Thong, Phaying, Iroi Semba, RD Wing, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Sawombung, Sekmai, Singjamai, Thauda Babok, Community Hall, Wangoi. So these are the vaccination center within the Impal East districts. All are booked already. However, we find one IT vacancies there in the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences for the aged people, that is 45 plus onwards. Others cannot go over the years. So like this is as on 4th November 2021. So likewise we can see the vaccination center, and then once this red is either green or yellow, we can book it. Now all the centers are full. There is no room to book it. Anyway, and before booking this, we should be registered first. We will register first. We have to click the register here. Here, register, sign, register / sign in yourselves. And then here you have to enter phone number and OTP will be there. And after OTP, after getting OTP, enter the OTP, and then the steps will come up day by day, step by steps. So these are some of the shortcut of the registrations. Now let us go to the frequently asked for the whole these COVID-19 vaccination procedure. So here is the frequently asked questions on COVID-19. The first is registrations and registration steps. We can register for COVID-19 vaccination. Vaccinations and in order to see something bigger. Yes, where we can register for COVID-19 vaccinations. You can log into the COVID window portal using these links www.covid.gov.in and click on the registers / sign yourself tab to register for COVID-19 vaccinations. Number 2, is there mobile application need to be installed to register for vaccinations? There is no authorized mobile application for registration for vaccination in India except Aryoga Setu. You need to log in into the COVID Win portal. Alternatively, you can also register for vaccination through Aryoga Setup and Umang applications. And number 3, which age group can register vaccination to the Co-Win portal? All the beneficiaries age 18 and above can register for vaccinations. Number 4, is online registration mandatory for COVID-19 vaccinations? Vaccination center provide a limited number of the on-spot registration slot every day. Beneficiaries age 45 years and above can schedule appointment online, walk into the vaccination center. Beneficiary age 18 years and above can schedule appointment online or walk into the government vaccination center. However, beneficiary age 18 to 44 years should mandatory register themselves and schedule the appointment online before going to the private vaccination centers. In general, all the beneficiaries are recommended to register online scheduled vaccination in advance for a hassle-free vaccination experience. And number 5, how many people can be registered in co-win portal through one mobile number. Up to the 4 people can be registered for vaccination using the same mobile number. Number 6, how can beneficiary with no access to smartphones or computer manage online registrations? Up to 4 people can be registered for vaccination using the same mobile number. Beneficiary can take up from the friends and family for online registrations. Number 7, can I register for vaccination without Aadhaar card? Yes, you can register to co-win portal using any of the following ID proofs. Number 1, Aadhaar card. Number B, driving license. Number C, PAN card. Number D, passport. Number E, pension book. Number A, NPR smart card. Number Z, voter ID, EPIC. Number 8, is there any registration charge to be paid? No, there is no charge for registration. And scheduling appointment. Can I book an appointment for vaccination in co-win portal? Yes, you can book appointment for vaccination through co-win portal after logging into the co-win portal through your registered mobile numbers. Number 10, what are the options if one beneficiary age 45 and above and there is a age 18 and above? If one beneficiary age 45 and above and other beneficiary age 18 to 44 both want to schedule combined appointment, then only private pet vaccination center or vaccination center as per state policy will be made available. However, it may happen that some hospitals which are catering to people with 45 years or more may not allow booking or appointment for people with lesser age. In that case, you may take booking one by one. Number 11, can I check the vaccines being administered at vaccination centers? Yes. While scheduling appointment of vaccination, the system will show the vaccination centers' names along with the name of the vaccines that can be administered. But especially in Manipur, all the vaccines are done COVID shields. There is no any other options, whatever I know so far. Number 12, can I download appointment slips? Yes, appointment slip can be downloaded after appointment has been scheduled. Number 13, how can I find nearest vaccination centers? You can search the co-win portals for the vaccination centers nearest to the location either by searching through map, PIN code or by choosing the state and districts. Number 14, what if I cannot go for the vaccination on the date of the appointment? Can I reschedule my appointments? Appointment can be rescheduled at any time in case you are not able to go for the vaccinations on the date of the appointment. You can reschedule an appointment by clicking on the reschedule tab. Number 15, do you have any option for cancellation of appointment? Yes, you can cancel any appointment already scheduled. You can also reschedule the appointment and choose another date or time slot of your convenience. Number 16, where will I receive the confirmation of date and time of the vaccinations? Once appointment is scheduled, you will receive the detail of the vaccination center, date and time slot chosen for appointment in SMS sent to your registered mobile number. You can also download the appointment slip and print it and keep it on your smartphone. And number 7, can I get vaccinations without appointments? Beneficiary age 45 and above can schedule appointment online and walk to the vaccination center without the online bookings. No one is permitted vaccination. Vaccinations age 18 to 14 can schedule appointment and walk for the government vaccination center. However, they should mandatory registers themselves and schedule appointment online before the vaccination center. However, all the benefits are recommended to register online and schedule vaccination in advance and for a hasty-free vaccination experience. Number 18, when I click on vaccination center, it shows no appointment are available in this period. What to do? In case of the non-availability of slot for scheduling an appointment for vaccination in such vaccination centers, you may try scheduling appointment in others nearby center. The portal gives you the feature of searching vaccination center using your PIN code or district. What is a 4-digit secret code on account detail page of self-registration portal on CoWIN? At the time of the vaccinations, you may be asked for digit secret code, and this is to ensure that rightful manufacturer receives vaccine dose and there is no misuse. And as far as the second dose schedulings, is it necessary to take a second dose vaccination? Yes, it is recommended that both doses of vaccines should be taken for realizing the full benefit of vaccinations. Both doses must be of same vaccine type. And number 21. When should I take a second dose of vaccination? It is recommended that second dose of Covaxin should be administered in an interval of 28 days to 42 days after the first dose. The second dose of Covishield should be administered at the interval of 84 days to 112 days after first dose. The second dose of Sputnik should be administered in interval of 21 to 91 days after first dose. So, subject to the type of the vaccines and interval between first dose and second dose are different as far as Sputnik and then as far as Covishield. 22. Will my second dose appointment be automatically scheduled by COVID systems? No, you have to appoint for second dose vaccinations. CoWIN system will help to book appointment in vaccination center where the same vaccine is being administered is vaccine type Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik of the first dose. Whom can I contact if I have some problems related to my online registration of the appointment? You can call the national helpline number 10755 for information and guidance on COVID-19 vaccination and COVID software related queries. And number D, vaccinations. Is vaccinations free at the vaccination centers? No. Currently, vaccination is free at government hospital, charge $250 in private hospital for beneficiary age 45 and above. From 1st May onwards, vaccination for the people of 45 and more will continue to be free at government facilities. For the people between 18 to 44, the state will announce the policy relating to payment. In Manipur, it is free. Vaccination will be priced by private facilities. You can see price of each vaccine at the time of booking. And the number 25, can I check the price of vaccines? Actually, in Manipur, we don't have these facilities. Can I choose a vaccine? System will show the administrator each vaccination center at the time of the scheduling appointment. Beneficiary can choose the vaccine center as per their choice of vaccine being administrators. But as far as Manipur, Covishields are common. What precautions should take at the time of second dose vaccinations? The vaccination center have been directed to ensure that if a beneficiary is being vaccinated with a second dose, they should confirm that the first dose vaccine was done with the same vaccine as is being offered at the time of second dose. The first dose was administered more than 28 days ago for Covaxin, 84 days ago for Covishield, and 21 days for Sputnik. You should share the correct information about the vaccine type and then that of the first dose vaccination with vaccinators. You should carry your vaccine certificate issued after the first dose. 28. If I have taken the first dose of COVID vaccination through on-spot registrations, when I try to book the second dose online, it asks me to schedule my appointment for the first dose. What to do? Please ensure that you are using the same mobile number for second dose online appointment booking which you had used at the time of first dose. Can I get vaccinated with a second dose in different states? Yes, you can get vaccinated in any state and district. The only restriction is that you will be able to get vaccinated only those centers which are offering the same vaccine as was administered to you on the first dose. Number 30, which documents should carry for vaccination? You should carry your identity proof specified at a time by you at the time of registration on CoWIN portal, and print out screenshot of your appointment slips. Number 31, I have registered myself on CoWIN portal. However, I am not able to make any booking as I don't see any vaccination facility near my locality. What should I do? Yes, it is possible. No facility near your place has published their vaccination program. As yet, you may wait for some time till vaccination facilities near your place are on CoWIN platform, become active and start their services. Number E, vaccine certificate. Number 32, why do I need a vaccination certificate? A COVID vaccine certificate issued by government offers an insurance to the beneficiary on vaccination, the type of vaccines, and the provisional certificate is also provided next vaccination due. It is also an evidence for the beneficiary to prove to any entities which may require proof of vaccination, especially in case of interval. The vaccination not only protects individual from disease but also reduces the risk of the spreading the virus, and therefore there could be requirement in future to produce the certificate for certain kind of social interaction and international travels. In this context, a certificate issued by CoWIN has built-in security feature for guarantee genuineness of certificate, which can be digitally verified using the approved utilities which are provided in CoWIN portal. And number 33, what is responsible for providing the vaccination certificate? The vaccination center is responsible for generating your certificate and for providing a printed copy for vaccination on the day of the vaccination itself. Please do insist for receiving the certificate at the centers. For private hospitals, the charges for providing a print copy of a certificate are included in the service charge for vaccinations. Where can I download the vaccination certificate from? You can download vaccination certificate from CoWIN portals or the Ayoga setup through the digital locker by following the simple steps. You may do so by using mobile number used at the time of registration. And number 35, how can I access COVID vaccination certificate from DigiLocters? You can find vaccination certificate DigiLocter under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare under Health category. Click on COVID vaccine certificate, enter the beneficiary reference ID to access your certificate. And number F, reporting side effect. 36, whom do I contact in case of side effect from vaccinations? You can contact on any of the following details: helpline numbers 9111239788046. That is a toll-free number 1075. Number B, technical helpline number 0120447322. And the C, helpline email number support@cowin.gov.in. You may also contact the vaccination center where you took the vaccination for advice. So with this, we have a thorough knowledge as far as the COVID registrations and scheduling appointment and vaccination procedures, and then the second dose scheduling, vaccination centers, and vaccination certificate, and reporting the side effects. All these things has been briefly elaborated. And thanking you for your kind support in order to understand frequently asked questions on COVID-19 vaccinations. And I myself, Dr. T. Surendra, faculty of Density in Manipur, would like to make more awareness as far as registrations for COVID vaccinations. for the common people. With this, let me stop here. Thank you for your sparing wonderful, precious times. Hope you all the best. Have a wonderful day and let us fight COVID-19 together. We can win one day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, today I'm coming again because nowadays vaccination